Need to start accepting appointments without building a form from scratch? With Jotform's appointment form templates, you can launch a fully functional scheduling form in minutes. Let me show you how. Jotform's appointment form templates includes over 7,000 ready-made templates designed around real business needs. Instead of starting from zero, you can choose a template that closely matches your use case and open it instantly, with key steps and logic already in place. Templates are available across categories like medical appointments, salon bookings, educational meetings, consultants, and event appointments. To begin, visit the Jotform Appointment Form Templates page. From here, you can use the search bar to find a specific template, browse categories on the left-hand side, and sort templates by popular or recent to quickly find the most relevant options. You'll find options for medical consultations, business meetings, interviews, coaching sessions, or classes and events. Once you find a template you like, click Preview to see how it works and what steps are included. When you're ready, click Use Template and it will open in Form Builder, ready to edit. Now you can easily adjust the form to match your workflow. You can edit field labels, add or remove fields, include date and time pickers, add appointment widgets, or customize confirmation messages. No coding required. Everything is fully editable using Jotform's intuitive drag-and-drop builder. If needed, you can enhance the form by clicking on Settings and then selecting Calendar Integrations, Automated Email Confirmations, Conditional Logic, or Payment Integrations for paid appointments. And that's how you use Jotform's appointment form templates. Select a template, customize it to your needs, and start accepting bookings in minutes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.